Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we are going to dive into a very interesting problem related to C++ programming. So, let's talk about this unique problem that can arise when initializing an array of a type that is not default constructible. It's a tricky situation, but don't worry, we have a solution in sight. Now, let's discuss the solution that was proposed to tackle this challenging problem. The key point to focus on here is a specific code snippet that involves the implementation of a copy constructor for the custom type int. This code snippet has a crucial role in the overall solution strategy. By examining how the code handles the copy constructor operation, we can uncover some important insights that shed light on the validity and effectiveness of the proposed solution. In summary, it's essential to understand the nuances and pitfalls of initializing an array of non-default constructible types in C++. The solution presented may seem like a clever workaround, but it actually falls short due to underlying issues related to copy constructor behavior and array initialization. Remember, it's always important to ensure that our code is not only functional, but also compliant with the language standards. And with that, we wrap up today's video. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and leave a comment below. Until next time, happy coding.